To switch between the two-way and three-way crossover modes on the KENWOOD eXcelon receivers that feature Apple CarPlay, you'll notice that you simply press and hold the eject button, then the volume down button. Here, you're brought to a warning screen that says switching the crossover network mode setting. Please confirm the speaker wiring and select the mode. Speaker damage may occur with the incorrect setting. We'll select three-way. Are you sure you want to change the mode? Yes. Now, what you will notice is, when we go to an active source like USB, I'll select Menu and then Audio. When I select Speaker Crossover and then Crossover, you'll notice that we now have low pass, band pass, and high pass. So for example, we can go to low pass. We can put the frequency down to 30 Hertz. Up to through, stops at 150 Hertz. We can select band pass. You'll notice that the low pass frequency options, we can go down to 250 Hertz. And we can go up to 8 kilohertz. For the high pass filter in the band pass setting, we can go all the way up to 300 Hertz or all the way down to 50 Hertz. For high pass, we can go all the way down to 250 Hertz, all the way up to 12.5 kilohertz. Now, if we go back to the standby source, which is the mode you must be in to make this switch from two-way to three-way crossover mode, we'll go ahead and select the standby source. Now, from the standby source, I'm going to press the eject button and then the volume down button. Now we can switch back to two-way mode if we so choose. When we select two-way mode, we'll select yes. Now, when we go back to an active audio source, we'll go to the USB source, press the menu button, then press audio, then select speaker crossover, and then crossover. You will now see that you are back to the traditional two-way crossover settings, front, rear, and subwoofer.
KENWOOD.